Good day. I hope you're having a wonderful start to the day. I didn't have much activity going on today, but because someone knows I am highly food motivated, let's go for breakfast. So I was like, why not? Food is always a good thing. Food is always a good time. So we are going for food. It's a beautiful sunny day, and the monster is walking with us on this beautiful sunny day. Good idea, and guess who is with me? Well, tempt me with having breakfast outside of the house. Someone has become a change man. And then there is Cabezon eating leaves. Ay.
Gracias.
Orale, no. Uy. And that was a good breakfast. Now we're heading back and then head out. We are going to a museum, and I'm hoping that museum is open. And I have the husband walking. Walking. Are you tired? How are you feeling? Are you excited? We're almost there, said he. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And we are here. Soy calentito. Gracias. Si yo quiero los artes en mi casa, ¿cómo funciona? ¿Cuáles son los requisitos?
El requisito es que te vamos a registrar y estamos haciendo una registración tuya.
Soy extranjero.
No tenemos
Que quiero tomar los artes afuera de México. ¿No es una broma? No. Es una broma. ¿Ustedes van a mi casa para observar cómo es? No. ¿En serio?
No, esto es prácticamente
¿verdad?
de confianza.
Ah, muy bien. solamente en español. ¿Hablas francés? ¿Por qué tienes
Sí, hay en francés y en inglés.
Ok, Sí, y por los libros. Eh, ¿Cuál es la historia sobre este cynics beware sobre injustice? ¿En serio? Animal.
Tenemos cartitas de quinta.
For having the
Done with purpose.
yes, the process of getting these art pieces was really easy, I think, in my opinion. I just had to prove that I live here and have a house here.
The previous were about how artists represent bad governance.
Damn, I was thinking, why would you want to represent people like that? But everybody has a choice, eh? Tough. Twitter, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Pregunta. Pregunta, ¿qué vale más? ¿Qué vale más? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, which one? ¿Qué vale más? That was the question for this one. Now we're going. I'm trying to get my husband to buy this massive piece of art because I don't want to pay for it. Ask me why, I don't know. Call me crazy, maybe.
El límite es un mes y 3 meses, pero no es necesario.
Ok.
Muchas
Órale.
gracias. De todos modos, un poquito, digo, si ya van a llegar al límite, un poquito antes les mandamos un correo para mandar. Ajá.
What did she say?
If the time is getting close, they see your.
Ah, ok. ¿Y es fácil de poner en redes sociales o no?
Claro,
Sí, mejor.
se lo recomendamos mucho.
Sí.
Y por favor, cuando etiqueten
Who knew it was so easy to get art for the house? The process wasn't difficult, and I hope it stays that way. I hope no one does anything cheeky that will make them want to change the process in which they give you art and books and vinyl to take home. It's a lovely experience, and I'll show you what it looks like when I put it up on the wall and how I put it up on the wall. If it's difficult, I might have to ask the artist how to get it done. But overall, it has been it was a beautiful experience in getting those things for the house. We are at this place called Clayudas, and we're gonna have dinner. What time is it now?
Almost 4.
It's almost 4. So on their menu, the thing that I want to have or want to try, this place is fairly new. It opened during the pandemic, and they're called Clayudas y Tacos, and they have something that I had when I was in Santa Maria in this Oaxacan restaurant called Tecate, and it's made with the seed of mame, chocolate, and what else? That's it, and I like that drink, so that's what I'm gonna have.
They have soups. Do you want soup? They
Chiquito.
have beans. Las sopas están chicas o grandes?
Tienen a lo mejor más o menos medianas.
Medianas. Medium. Do you want or better?
We're gonna share?
No, it's soup.
Es como ese, mira.
They have one.
Ah, sí, sí.
They have chapulines one.
Ooh, chapulines.
¿Sí? Una de chapulines y otra de sopa de frijol, pues, ¿no? 2 tejates tienes, ¿sí? Y van a ser 2 clayudas chicas, una de camarón asado y otra de camarón al chipotle.
Eso.
¿Sería todo?
Por el momento sí.
Gracias. This drink is called tejate. It's made with corn, the seed of mame, and what else?
Chocolate.
Chocolate cacao. And it's delicious. Salud.
From Oaxaca.
Thank you. I like it. Okay, gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. Camarón asado. The food was good, and they had a pastry menu, but nothing there we wanted, so we are going to a cafe that belongs to a friend of mine.
Or maybe we go to the other one, the one who sells cakes.
Which one?
I don't know, we passed
With the swing here?
No. This one which is, you said you want me to go there. You have been there and they do like 5 pastry.
Yes, it's on this avenue.
Yes.
It's at the corner.
I think it's another one.
Ooh.
Only 2 or 3 more.
Yeah, he's going to one of my recommendations. The ingredients are good quality.
Yes.
So
Like high-end pastry.
French style
Yes.
and not rush pastry. So we are going to another spot for dessert, tea for me, and coffee for the husband. The husband. Ooh. It's on that avenue now. Huh?
This all your friend.
Yeah. We're gonna sit here. Buenas tardes. ¿Le gusta? Este. Yo quiero este.
Tarta de manzana, tarta de higo.
Sticks or apple? Which one do you want?
I am gonna have tea and chocolate while he has coffee and chocolate.
Sí, por favor.
Gracias.
¿Tendrás azúcar?
¿Tendrás azúcar?
Sí, nada azúcar.
We are finished for the evening and we are off. And I would say thank you for watching thus far. Stay positive, think and possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye.